Still there for Pump Info News, my wonderful people. You don't read though, they say Pastor Van don't come outside. They come ask the Biafrans, say, may they forgive am. As the Biafrans go bring some videos when they talk, say, Biafra government in exile, say they be scam. No be smart, you know. As he bring the video come outside, now people come they bantam from back to front, from front to back. As that one come happen finish, he come outside, he come tell Biafra, say may they forgive am. Say in the radio to repent. I go play one of the two video, may wanna watch. Just stay tuned and watch the video. As that one they happen, they say that the gentle the Yahoo, they say that the Nigerian army don't waka enter inside the camp where gentle the Yahoo dey scatter everywhere dey for inside that place, which I go play on the video, make una watch. Just stay tuned and watch this video. Don't forget to share and follow this page so that as we dey upload, we go be the first person wey go get our updates back to back. Now let me bring you this video of wetin Pastor Van talk before we come back and continue.
Enter Biafra group of companies. How far? Start asking questions so that you will not be scammed. Simon Ekpa Bonyori. Isibuto Nyori. What the love we have for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we rejected that Biafra spirit. We already forgot. We are now fighting ourselves. We're not calling our names. And the people that have been fighting us, they now kept quiet and they are watching and they are looking. You know, it's an experience that I'm not going to forget in a hurry, but it's an experience that will make us stronger. I want to tell you that we have erred. And if there's anything you must do this morning is to ask God to forgive you. If by any means I have attacked or called the name of my fellow warrior negatively, without respect, I ask for forgiveness. Because when you identify an enemy in the house, you can treat that enemy, but you don't need to fight your house. Because the enemy brings in what we call divide and rule. When you spot that enemy, focus on that enemy. Even if your brothers are fighting you, I don't need to bring my fellow brother on social media and begin to talk about him and begin to fight him and then ignore the number one enemy, which is Fulani, which is Nigeria. You know, Mazi Simon Ekpa was able to identify the enemies within. He dealt with them and he talked about them, but he did not destroy the house. He was not adamant. He was not after pulling down the roof. No. And he had that capacity to handle the enemy within and without. It's not every one of us that have that capacity. So if you do not have that capacity, it is better you just focus on the enemy without. Leave those, as God have rearranged my subconscious now, those that can handle the enemy within and without at the same time. It's not everybody that can do it. Those that can keep a clean straight, a clean face, a clean record, handling the enemies without, and then systematically identify the enemies within. Please, we have to be very, very vigilant and very smart. Before now, there are many things we have learned. I will not come here and tell you another thing. If I tell another thing, you can reject it. Do you understand? You can reject it, but you don't need to destroy me, fight me, call me names. But the names you call me, it makes me stronger anyway. But I want you to know that I will not hate you anymore for calling me those names. I won't hate you because time will tell. You will still return back as my brother. You will still return back as my sister that you are. You understand? But the only thing that will happen is that there are brothers and sisters that will not live together in the same roof, under the same roof, but they are brothers and sisters. So if eventually we end up like that we will not live in the same roof, but we are brothers and sisters, then we don't need to pull down our roof. Nothing will change. That roof will not fall down. But if you choose to follow the enemy and to sell the house, you will not succeed. The only thing is that you will alienate yourself from the family. Do you understand? Because we have lost that Biafra spirit. That spirit that makes us think, you know, critical thinking. For somebody to come and bring you facts, truth, And then you will begin to fight that person instead of thinking about the truth that person brought to you. Yesterday, I was able to...
Okay, my wonderful people. Una don't watch the video, make una dey share them so that other people go get the information. Now, let me play you the video of the camp wey belongs to Gentle the Yahoo as the Nigerian Army take enter inside that place as well.
Obata, where you dey? Obata, where you dey now? Obata, where you dey? Your walking stick there, Obata. Obata, your walking stick there, man. Come out. Obata, see your 4 here. Obata, your 4 day here. Stand here. Come collect her. Your 4 day, Obata. Your 4 way they use do any. Stand here. Inside insurance. Now I go carry walking stick. Oh, pan for ground. No, pan. The drum them, we want use them, oh. We want use the drum. We go use the drum for our barrack there. Yeah, smoke with them say we don't carry their drum.
The man tell me. Maybe in addition, he said make you continue.
Who go they go now?
Tell them to right inside.
Who go they go everywhere now?
You are not getting so many recording. I will seize that your phone.
How about that one? Come out now. How about that one? See your 4 year. Your 4 day, how about that? How about that? Your 4 day, yo. Stand here. See how about that 4. Yeah, joint to the stick. Now, yeah, joint to the stick. Yes, now you understand. Yes, police.
Fragment.
Yes.
This is the Gentry house.
Yes.
Now, who capture them?
Yes.
He don't run.
leave their property.
Yes.
Also,
You don't move.
you don't move.
Obato Osu one.
Idiot.
Obato Osu one.
I dey tell you.
Don't run.
You know there.
Obata don't run.
You know there.
Yes.
Biafra gentle house.
Biafra gentle
I
house.
dey tell you.
Obato Osu one.
Where he dey? You
No, run.
don't leave their property.
Don't run.
Very stupid man.
Obato Osu run. You know, say, we dey come. No, sir, we dey come. Obato Osu. You say be Obato Osu one. The king of jungle.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video, I beg make una dey share am so that other people go get the information and the advice where I want still keep the military wey enter inside this camp. I beg make una go locate the places where Fulani herdsmen dey. Make una see go locate them. We want see them as well. No be to dey pursue Biafrans they go. I beg una share the video.